lingering question from this morning: did those apartments have working carbon monoxide detectors?
Well, today's good question is, are carbon monoxide detectors required in apartments in Kentucky? Here's Victor Puente with the answer to that good question.
Well, it's going to depend on when that apartment was built and if there have been any renovations. According to a release from the Cabinet for Health and Family Services, quote, since 2011, Kentucky law has required CO, or carbon monoxide, detectors in newly constructed 1- and 2-family dwellings, townhomes less than 3 stories, apartment buildings, dormitories, adult and child care facilities, and assisted living facilities that contain a fuel-burning appliance or an attached garage. So that means if it's an all-electric building with no attached garage, they aren't required. It also means if it was built before 2011, that requirement doesn't exist. Now, according to online records, Oxford Circle Apartments was built in 1965. However, if work that requires a permit were to happen to one of those older buildings, then they would be required to add carbon monoxide detectors. A release from the Department of Housing, Buildings and Construction in 2011 outlined that process. It said in part, where work requiring a permit occurs within an existing dwelling, the permitting authority shall inform the owner/occupant that carbon monoxide alarms are required to be installed. In those cases, the alarms would be required in those older buildings. If you have a good question, just email us. Goodquestion@WKYT.com. I'll see you on WKYT Mornings.